Hi, in this video let me show you how to install your ink cartridges inside of your Brother MFC-J1170DW printer. Step number one is to open this panel over here. You can stick your finger and pull it down. If you notice that there is an orange piece of plastic inside, remove it by pulling it out. You don't need to keep it. You can throw it in the recycling bin or in the garbage. Let me open the ink cartridges that came in this package. If you need to buy replacement ink cartridges, this printer takes the LC401 ink cartridges or 401XL. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon in case you want to purchase some. Over here, everything is clearly labeled. So we have magenta, cyan, yellow, and the black ink. Never mix them up. Let's start with magenta. The color is written on the side of the ink cartridge. You're going to take it in between two fingers like this, and we're going to insert it in its spot. Then, as you see here, it says push on that red circle. So you're going to take your thumb and you're going to push this cartridge until it clicks in place. And you're going to do this for the other color. So we have cyan here. Again, I'm holding it this way. I'm inserting it and then I'm pushing it. Next we have the yellow. And finally the black ink cartridge. This one is larger because it has more black ink than all the other colors. In the future, if you want to replace a specific cartridge, you're going to put your finger on top of the one you want to replace, let's say magenta, and you're going to push down. This will unlatch the cartridge and you'll be able to slide it out. Once you're finished, close this door. If it's the first time you inserting ink cartridges in this printer, you're going to get this message saying that it will take about 4 minutes before you can print. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.